Hi, my name is BKAS2123 and I will present about the introduction and system request summary. For our project overview, our reason to conduct this project is to observe the problems of Dynasuite Gift enterprise in utilizing information technology system along with designing a system on making improvement on business performance. 5 of us, which is our team members, will conduct this investigation. Next is overview of the company. Dynasuite Gift Enterprise is a SME company in retail department which is gift shop and was founded in 2020 by Edina Safia bin Ismail. They are a home-based shop at Shah Alam Selangor. The shop is selling and produce custom-made gift hamper along with provide surprise delivery service. The business focus on Instagram, which is Dynasuite Gift, and the WhatsApp. This is our fishbone explanation, and I will explain more of fishbone explanation on the next slide. Next, for the system request summary, what is the POV, which is point of view by Dynasuite Gift Enterprise of the system request summary? For them, a detailed explanation of a business requirement can be created to get a new business value for finding the solution of the problem lies. Insufficient number of employees are the main problem of the business that cause. First, due to of multiply work needs to be settled by 2 people, error will occur on completing the order and by taking order manually. They do not have much time to collect full data on database customer. Second, inventory probably be recorded with inaccurate quantity or item. The error will wrongly mark the wrong item will affect the ending inventory and trigger the upcoming stock that the business need to restock. Lastly, no time consuming on producing the order. And for the conclusion, a system of a combination to calculate the in-out stock inventory and order will track automatically will be designed for the Dynasuite Gift Enterprise. As for the region of the system create, the business can determine the customer's interest and produce the item. Secondly, less manpower will be consumed on tracking the order process. And lastly, the inventory can be tracked automatically and calculated as per order have been accepted. For the benefit of the system, will make the foresight of business can be planned without difficulty by send promotion or new items to the targeted marketing, while the business performance will make an improvement and the operational become efficient with low cost consuming or provide salary to staff. And for the last minute data is the data store can be found easily.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Novita Maisara with method number 280909 and I'm going to present the case of action for our primary investigation. So we have done 4 methods of fact finding in this investigation, which is interview, questionnaire, internet research and observation. For the interview, we have conduct an interview session with the owner of the business herself, which is Dina, through WhatsApp. So in the interview, we have gathered information on their business operation, in the process of making the product, and also the problem and difficulties that they find during those operations. And then we did the questionnaire. The questionnaire only cover few general information of their business, which is like the nature of business and background and so on. And internet research, we just go through their social media platform, which is Instagram and Facebook, for us to know how their customer reach the business and product that they are selling. For the observation, we have examined all the facts and data of the business. Mainly focus on the observation for their business operation and activities for us to did the primary investigation. Okay, for result of primary investigation, from all findings that we get and facts and data, we identify that the business actually facing the main problem that they're facing is insufficient number of employees, which led to other problem in their business operations such as time deficiency, and that we from the system that we focus on is on their activities on taking order from the customer. Okay, so for the project scope, the project scope is the system cover feature for customer to make order and can be tracked by seller indirectly, so they don't have to directly go to the customer to take the order. And then the aim is to expand growth of the business by driving more new customer to the business. Other than that, we also identify that this system function as handling customer order, starting from the customer selecting their product that they want to buy to deliver to the owner to deliver the product. And then our project constraint is that we have limited time to reach the owner, and then limited knowledge for the investigation because lack of experience and so on. And then the project activity carried out remotely, so there's a few things that we have to face during our investigation and this project activity. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Logan Tiran, son of Palisami. Metric number is 281190. So now I'm going to continue this presentation for the expected benefits. These are the expected benefits of this project. There are some tangible benefits and intangible benefits. So the first tangible benefits is the process improvement. Reduce the amount of time spent doing work, and the overall efficiency would increase as the errors and defects are eliminated. So another tangible benefit is related to inventory management. Keeps the stock cost under a control system. The control over inventory improves the inventory related costs are reduced. This would help to reduce the interest and enable to them to utilize the capital money for their developments and their growth. So now intangible benefits. The first intangible benefit is increase the employee. Increase the labor force to avoid delay complete orders. Leading to increase the customer satisfaction and growth of business by increasing the employee, and this helps to boost the employee morale and the employees experience less stress. The second intangible benefit is the order tracking system. Create a link to the order tracking tool can be found in the confirmation email. The order tracking system is very important to deliverable, which helps the organization automate the process and reduce the manual errors. All these organizations successfully increase the efficiency and reduce the person dependency. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next, this is the feasibility analysis of our project. Okay, the first one is operational feasibility. Operational feasibility means whether our proposed system can solve the business problem. Okay, so from what we know from the interview, the main problem faced by the owner is a lack of workforce, and the second one is they are still record all the transaction manually. So what we want to do in this project is very simple. We want to create a system where the owner can record all the transaction digitally, and there's no hard copy, and at the same time our system can also provide the owner a tracking assistant. So the second one is technical feasibility. So technical feasibility means whether our system can technically run in the business. Usually it is related to technical resources or technical skill. For example, like is there enough computer for the owner to use our system? Are the system up to date, or is there any minimum knowledge about the computer? So these are the technical resources and skills. The third one is economic feasibility. Economic feasibility refers to the benefit and cost analysis of our project. So what is the intangible cost of our project? There are a few, for example, like the maintenance of our software, and the second one is the training cost for the owner. Yes, so this is our economic feasibility. And then the last one is regarding the schedule feasibility. Schedule feasibility refers to the timeline of our project, starting from designing and creating the system until delivery to the customer. So I think for our project, you took about 2 to 3 months, but of course the time will change if there's any problem occurs. So you can refer to our Gantt chart and the perk chart at the end of our presentation. So that's all for me.
Now we move to the project role, which our project manager is Nufitra Maisara and other group members. The scope of the project managers was to lead the team and keep us to being on the project track. She also will assign to us tasks to do and to make sure that all of our members group are active and take participation whenever there are discussions being held. Other members' roles are to complete the assignment within the scheduled data and help each other to improve their effectiveness and accuracy of the project. These were our group organization chart, which consists of project manager, function manager, operation manager, system analyst, and also a system developer. Due to the business is a small enterprise, the cost estimation of the project is 8,300 ringgit, which consists of expenses, employee, hardware, software, and other expense that occur in the project. The time estimation of the project is 96 days, which consists of 5 phases, which is planning phase, analysis phase, system design phase, implementation phase, and also the overview phase. Now we move to the PERT chart. So this is PERT chart for planning phase, which is started on 13 April 2020 and end on 4 May 2020, which consists of 21 days. Meanwhile, the analysis phase is started on 4 May 2022 and targeted to end on 22 May 2022. The system design phase is started on 23 May and ended on 5 June, and the implementation phase is started on 7 June to 17 June on 2022. Lastly, the overview phase, which is started on 10 June and targeted to be fully observed to 14 July 2022. Lastly is the Gantt chart, which consists of 5 phases that have been put into it. That's all from our group. Thank you.